Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore social approvals with Hootsuite workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore social approvals with Hootsuite workflows, begin by logging into your Hootsuite account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the Workflows option from the menu. Click on the Create New Workflow button to start building your workflow. Name your workflow appropriately to reflect its purpose, such as Social Approval Process. Set up the first stage by adding a task for content creation. Specify who will be responsible for creating the content. Next, configure approval stages in the workflow. Add a task for reviewers to evaluate the content once created. Invite the appropriate team members to serve as reviewers. Define the criteria they need to assess during the review. After approval, create a task for publishing the content to social media channels. Set deadlines for each task to keep the workflow on track. Include a notification step to alert team members when tasks are assigned or completed. Test the workflow by running a simulation with dummy content to ensure all steps function as designed. Make any necessary adjustments based on the testing results. Once satisfied, activate the workflow for use by your team. Monitor the workflow periodically to identify bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Gather feedback from team members on the workflow's efficiency. Update the workflow as needed to enhance team collaboration and speed up the approval process. By following these steps, you can effectively restore social approvals using Hootsuite workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.